to bring you stuff in your stocking? Huh? Oh, what's in there? What's in there? Oh, can you get any of it? Can you get any of it? Your turn, Snack. Shut up. Come here. Oh, what's that? Oh, nice big chewy. How about you get a pig ear for the morning?
Ooh, a Christmas morning pig ear.
Crypt? Crypt? There's more. Have you... Oh! Alright, that's what you get, okay? I'll leave those two things out for you. Gatlin's turn now. But Gatlin has to down. And he has to wait. And then he has to sit. Oh yeah, and then he has to down. Did Santa bring you goodies? What's that? Oh, is that what you want? That's what you want this morning? Look at Santa chopped off his reindeer's antler for you. Oh.
He's like, I'll take that too.
Oh, that's Rudolph's antler. All right.
All right.
There you go.